So here's your next challenge. So we have this little gizmo again, right? Let's rotate it around. And we're going to use a new feature here, which is the mirror feature right over here. So we'll get to that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to draw your um, square here. So to sketch one, you're going to draw a square 22 by 22 right now. The key here is that you need to do a center point square, right? So when you do that, you need to do center point rectangle and start from the center or the origin of the workspace right there. It has to be centered on that. You could see that the center point here of this rectangle or square is right here. So that's key. All right. Next thing I'm going to extrude. So we extrude about 18, right, in the upward direction. And then we're going to do a sketch on the top surface. You see we have, again, these are center point circles. So you always do from center, that's the key. Keep it in the center of the workspace, right? This dot is the center of the workspace. So 12 and 8, two center point circles. Okay, now we're going to extrude the first one, which is the outer one, 2 millimeters down, right? And then we're going to take the second one and we're going to bust it through the bottom, right? Okay, so now we have that. Next, we want to draw this part right here. So if I go to sketch 3, this one is the most complicated. Let's get it. Sketch 3. There it is. So here we go. So we have your dimension. This is a 3-point arc, right? So you would go over here. First, draw these pieces, right? These pieces, and then the arc should be the last piece, right? And there it is, 3-point arc right here. And this is a fillet, right? So when you draw this one, it'll be a corner, but you can fillet to 5. So fillet is here. So take a look at this, right? You have everything you need. This angle here is 230 between these two. And then what we're going to do is we're going to extrude that. So we're going to extrude that about 6 millimeters. There it is, inside, right? Inside that square. Now here's the new part. The new part is you have your right plane right in the middle going through the center, see? So if I move around here, so this is the right plane. And that's the key to having this in the center because now the plane goes right through the center. So what you do is you do a mirror. So you do a mirror and it asks you to which part you want to mirror. So I want to mirror this part right here, see? And then it asks you which plane. Well, I chose right plane, see? Right plane, part 1. And then a mirror right across. Okay. And then I think the only thing we did is a circle over here. Let's rotate this around. Circle right here, and then extrude it right through to the other side. And that's it. That's the widget.